Okay, what have I been doing tonight? I've been tinkering, making stuff for my 6x6. I made a winch controller from a steering servo. First time I'd ever done it. It was a bit of buggering around, getting the buttons to cooperate, the trim, etc. and so on with the third channel, but I did it. I'm pretty happy with what I've done. Then the next task was, where do I mount a winch on a truck like this that's got a monstrous bash plate on it? It's all a bit indecisive. So, I'll show you what I come up with. Obviously, I've unbolted this previously. This is the handy thing about having a 6x6. You can sit your tray in the back of it. Your cab, rather. Anywho's, one winch mounted between the shock hoops. Now, on full compression, my winch cable just misses the winch. The steering servo. You couldn't have planned that any better if you tried. Same deal with the actual servo and the winch. They don't touch either. Very close, but no cigar. Now, for the time being, to stop this twisting forwards under load, I've cheated and put a cable tie there. I am going to get another one of these cross members. I've actually cut this one a bit shorter, so as it doesn't push the hoops out too far. So I'll do the same thing with another one, put that directly behind it. I may have to trim a piece of the top off. On this one I actually had to shave a part of the outside edge of these parts so that I could get this mounted straight and everything was pretty. So for the moment, that'll be fine. So this is what I've been tinkering with tonight. It's been interesting, to say the least. But now I have got a functioning winch out the front of my truck, which is lovely. And it all runs off my third channel on my radio. Lovely darts. Oh, here's a tip. For anyone that makes a winch controller out of a servo, using these controllers, I'll give you the rundown quick smart. I'll turn the truck off, I'll turn my controller off. Now, if I turn the controller on, as you normally do with these vehicles, and then turn the truck on, the winch will start retracting by itself. You need to hit the bottom button straight away. But what you can do is, I want that out of touch. Turn the truck off, turn the controller off. Now, if you turn your controller on, then hit the button once, then turn the truck on, it doesn't move. So essentially your turn on process now turns into switch on, channel down once, then turn the truck on. That way, none of this moves and you're not going to bind it up on anything. So, I hope that gives someone an idea, or, you know, I guess it gives you a little bit of an insight as to the sort of nonsense I'm going through with this truck to make it usable. I am actually thinking about putting another winch on the back of the truck. Full-blown recovery vehicle, essentially. If someone's bogged front or back, you can just swing out and sort them out. If I put one on the back, I'll most probably run a proper little remote winch. I won't make another servo one because I'm running out of channels. So, this is my truck. Hopefully, and my lights still work. Yay! Except for that bastard there. I've got to replace it. Ever since I got this cab, that side light has been nothing but a prick, and it's because of the angle of the hole out of the back of the light. Camera doesn't want to focus for me. There we go. The hole is actually too low, so I might trim some off the bottom of the light to bring those down to make the hole line up better. Anywho's, so this is what I've been playing with tonight. My 6x6. Made my own winch controller, mounted the winch up underneath there, run it through the bash plate. Lovely darts.